All right, guys, we got 2023 SRT HEMI. Why are you putting cold water on my neck, bro?
Oh, it's not even cold, it's frozen.
It's still cold. 2023 Dodge Charger SRT HEMI. Hellcat, wide body, sexy purple. I don't know if it's plum purple, but we'll say purple. What we got done on this beautiful beast. Factories there and there. Factory X-Pipe. Did a mid delete right there. And then we also did a valve delete there and there. So what we do is we zip tie the valves up there, as you guys can see there. So they open and close like they want. If you guys ever wondered what the valves look like inside, these are it. They have a hole right in the middle, and then they get to a certain RPM and they open and close like that. See? There's the mechanism on them and the valve and all that good stuff right there. So if you guys wondered what it looked like, that's what it looks like with it open, and that's what it looks like with it closed. All right? There it is. That's the valve and that's the mechanism that goes on it right there. Anyways, so we did a valve delete there and there, then rear delete there and there, and sexy fat 5-inch tips, black rolled there and there. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So just holler at us if you're ever in the area. Charger Hellcat 2023 with fully straight pipe valve delete also. Gonna put a tune on it. It's gonna barble like crazy. Bring it back with us when you do the tune. I want to hear it. Love the sound of it. It sounds so good. Chest, that heavy power, guys. Oh my god. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body SRT HEMI, sexy beast, fully straight pipe. She ready. He's gonna get a tune next and bring it back. We'll let you hear it round 2. I hope you guys enjoy. You can still hear it.